What's up, everybody? It's me, Gerber, and we're here from my absolute most favorite of all days, unboxing day. So, my go-to for a while has been this bad boy right here. This is deer antler. So far as that material, and the blade, if you couldn't tell already, that is Damascus steel. Let me make sure that that's something good and in focus there. And I love this blade. It feels really great in the hand. I've only ever really had to strop it. I can't remember the last time I actually took this to a whetstone to sharpen it, just using jeweler's rouge, and a stropping board has kept that thing pretty good. However, it does have, and I've never been a big fan of folding knives, because sturdy as this is, and you can listen to it, and you can see it going on and it locks in place. Sturdy as that is, it is still technically point of failure. And I've never really liked that. As much as I do like this blade, and it is the right length, and I'll talk about that in a moment. I wanted to get something fixed blade, excuse me. And that is where I got this, the idea to grab this one. Side note, not sponsored. So I chose to get this bad boy right here. And I do like this sheath that it comes in. It's a molded thermoplastic, and as always, it's always a better idea to have something to keep your blade safe and from coming out when it's not intended to. So you just pull on that tab, or rather, I'm sorry, push on that tab, push it, pull it, comes right out, and there she is. All right, now to compare the two, being held in the hand, not bad. I got most of my fingers on there with the pinky coming around a bit right there, but a lot of my thumb goes on the back there, so you can see how wide it is. My thumb fits on there quite well. This one here, the handle's a bit longer, so I can get my my whole hand around that one. And even though this isn't very wide, it does have some nice ridges on the back. I believe these ridges are for descaling. I do like that. But as you can tell, this is far thicker, much sturdier. I do have a heavier blade because it's bigger, and I do like that. This gives the appearance that this is an edge part here, but it's not. I do like that there, so that the only cutting surface is right here. This is just a touch shorter than the blade that I had before. You can see the edge sticking up right there just a little bit. Fun fact, blades over a certain size here in Japan are considered swords. If I had this and it wasn't this long but this long, I would be carrying a sword, not a knife. A little upset by that, because if anybody knows what is or isn't an actual sword, it's the Japanese. But there it is. So this is what I got today. I'm very happy about it. It feels great. It came, pretty well sharpened. I'm not going to take it to a whetstone, but I am going to strop it a bit. I am certainly not going to keep this. I'm not a fan of thermoplastics in general. It just feels cheap. Not really cheap. It doesn't feel like there's a lot that went into it. I don't like that sound. I don't like that the part that holds the blade and the part that goes over the belt are two separate pieces. I consider this a point of failure, even though it is screwed in. Not a big fan of that, so I'm certainly going to make my own. Although I do like this feature, there's no way that I can incorporate a push tab in as a safety feature. I might potentially be able to incorporate this bottom piece into into the sheath that I make for it. It would make it much wider than it needs to be. However, we'll see how that turns out. But that's all I got for this here unboxing. Thank you very much, Gerber. I'll update, or rather, I'll upload some footage on the Instagram channel, or excuse me, Instagram account of actual usage, how it turns out. Won't be very much. I'm not going to go out into the woods and do anything like that for obvious reasons for right now. But I am very pleased with what I've gotten. Again, I love the fixed blade, full tang, as you can see here. It doesn't just go into the handle and stop partway through the handle. It's full tang with hand grips. And also, as much as I don't like that this is there, I might leave it and attach a lanyard, if only for the purpose of attaching it to, or having it for something to attach to a belt for safety purposes. Who knows? Stand by for that project video if that ever goes down. But this video is running a little bit long. Thanks for your time and attention. I appreciate it. Please feel free to like this video, subscribe, and put any questions or comments down in the comment section down there. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. I'm Jay Renard, and I'm out. Peace.